Hello and good morning from sunny France. It's Tuesday morning. I've got my PC here finally. That's nice. So I went back and picked that up from the old house so I can do my videos again, which is good. But we've got a couple of things. Last week it was extremely hot, and after the heat had finished we had a lot of storms, which meant a lot of water, which meant problems. So let me show you what we're going to be doing now. Here you can see this grid. It's in front of the garage. That was full of all of this. Clara's already cleaned that out, so that's now free, but I think we had a lot of water in the garage right here and going that way, so we've moved our boxes. But we've cleaned that just in case that was an issue. Right now, what I wish to do is here. That is filled underneath. You guys can't see it on the camera, but it's filled. So I'm going to lift this off and try clean that out. Exactly the same with that one, it's filled. So let's get the lids off. One clean unblocked drain there. I actually thought that this was connected to the garage over there, but it's not. This is just its own drain. So okay, but that's unblocked, that's unblocked. I've got a nice big pile there. Also behind this door it was full of moss. All down there it was full of moss, and now it's not anymore. So I'm going to put these covers back on, and then I've got one more job. We have these stones, these flags continue under all of this mud. Where do they go to? I don't know, but we're going to find out right now. Let's get this done. And there we have it. They're very strange, very, very strange. I think this is either a rock or a big concrete block, I'm not sure, but it seems to go over there and come around here. Now, this could have been the edge of a garden wall at one point, but yeah, there we go. A bit strange. It's dipping everywhere. Huge dips. Not level at all. That's another day's problem, but for now I think I'm going to clean up here a little bit and then that'll be done. I think that's it for the day. It's far too hot. You want to see what I've done? We have more flagstones. And there we go. It's not permanent, it's not really staying, but it's way better than what it was. There's a lot to do, but all here. Camera's not really picking it up. There's a big trench, and the idea is get as much soil out of here as possible, because it's definitely not even. It slants up, and I want to make it flat. Well, as flat to there as it can be, and then keep all that clear for the drain at the bottom. So that's the idea. So that's what I've done. That's what I've been up to. It's too hot, I'm having a beer. And I've got a little bit of bad news. You might have seen in earlier videos there was, in this birdhouse right there was 2 birds flying in to feed the baby. Unfortunately, it's not ended very well, because I don't know if it's fallen out. At first I thought it was the cats, but the cats actually can't get up there. Very unfortunate, but that's nature, huh? I know it's really hot. I know I said I'm done, but I'm under shade here, so I can carry on. And I've got a little job. It's going to be very dusty and very messy, but my idea is to get this floor wood chip free, and here, where there is a good roof, we put the table. So that's what I'm going to do. As you see, I've already tried it, scooping up lots of wood. That's just dust, but it's very dusty, as you see. Very dusty. So maybe a watering can, but I'm going to get all of these wood chips scraped up and clean up in here, which means moving that wood. It needs cutting anyway, so I'll put it with the rest that needs cutting, and I'll show you guys what it's like when I've finished. No one's seen a pile of rotting wood anywhere, have they? Because I think I've got quite a big one here. Yeah. What was under all that? How about lost, forgotten wood? It's Wednesday morning. Good morning from very hot sunny France. Got a little job today. Horrible table. Bye bye horrible table. It's going. With what? With the aid of a nice little tool that my father-in-law has gifted me. Thank you, Didier. This is going. Why is it going? As you see, it's definitely not centered. It's not good for seats. It's okay for 2 seats here, but there's no space. Maybe a third here. Definitely not there. And on the other side, we have space for nothing. And it's ugly, so this is my little project for today. It's going. I'm hoping that I've set that up right. I've read the little instructions of how to put the drill bit in. Let's see what I can do.
Well, so far it's going good. The only problem is I can't see anything. It's hot, but I need these. So that's taken me a long time. Wait.
That's taken me a long time, but I need to stop for a minute. I can feel my hands feel funny with the vibration, but we're getting there. We are getting there. That's where we're up to so far. With the mess. Little bit of a mess. That's okay. We'll clean it up later. But I'm hot. Woo.
So the plan, because I'm cutting this here, and this is supporting this, the plan is to come along here, and the last line I cut will be the middle here, which should, on the legs here, this brick should be the last. So the middle line here will be the last thing that I cut. Whew.
One destroyed table. Beer time. Clean up another day. It's too hot. It's way too hot. I made a mess. Anyone seen a bit of a mess? Anyone else want to come here and clean this up? That's beer time. So, hello from a very sunny, very warm France. Before it gets too hot, we're going to go for a little walk around the village. Why not, eh, baby girl? You want to go for a little walk? Yeah. Yeah. The dog's patiently waiting, so walk time. Hello and good morning from sunny France. It's Friday. It's going to be a hot one, so it's early in the morning. I'm going to try and see how much of this I can clear before it gets too hot. And I'm not on my own. You're watching Daddy work? Yeah! Hi! Good girl. That is a little bit of a difference. All of here, which was blocked, is clear. I've got a clean-up job again though, but that's in direct sunlight. It's too hot, so we're going to do something else for now. Right here, clean-up time. Before the sun gets here, I hope. That is 11 filled rubble sacks. I've not filled them too full because I've got to throw these away, probably on my own. So heavy, but not too heavy for me to move on my own. Rubble sacks, and we have a problem. There are still bricks in the floor, cemented in. This is not flat. The bricks stick up, and the cement, I don't know if you can see this, but the cement raises up. So this is not flat at all. And we thought this would be flat. So there's a little problem. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to think about this one. What I'm gonna have to do with that floor, I don't know. It needs leveling. I think I'm gonna have to chip away at that top layer of concrete and then pour more concrete to make it flat. Nothing's easy, is it? That's it for this week anyway. Catch you guys next week. Bye.